claimed on the most wanted head in the territory. Sheriff Bartlett says we're safer than ever. Bounty claimed on the most wanted head in the territory.
You're one hell of a bounty hunter, mister. You'd make me one fine deputy.
I just want my money.
From what I hear, the wagon hasn't arrived with the bank's gold. You'll have to take that up with Mr. Peabody, the bank manager.
You before.
I just need one more week. I can pay you the $5,000 that I owe, but the governor is bribing my ranch hands to leave, and I cannot do it by myself.
Well, why not just sell up to the governor? You could always move into town and work in the saloon.
The saloon? How dare you! I just need one more week.
I don't think the owner of the bank would approve.
Well, maybe I can speak with him myself.
I'm sorry, but the governor is too busy for the likes of you.
To hell with that evil son of a bitch! He's mined enough gold out of Bear Mountain! What the hell does he want my damn ranch?
Ma'am?
I'm sorry, sir. How may I be of assistance?
I want my money.
We have a small problem.
Then tell me about the gold in Bear Mountain that young lady was talking about.
I'm sorry, I can't disclose anything about our clients.
Ooh! Then tell me where she lives. And when I get back, you'd better have my gold.